Are you sick of hearing about online polls that promise easy money but rarely deliver, or of stuffing envelopes? All right, let's get down to business and discuss legitimate online income streams. We're getting into opportunities where individuals are genuinely generating money, so forget the hoopla. We're here to investigate those genuine chances in a world where digital marketers are attending conventions and people are creating successful enterprises from the comfort of their homes with just a laptop and an internet connection. Don't miss out on the latest insights. Hit subscribe to stay in the loop, and we'll keep you updated on practical ways to turn your online time into real money. Join us and let's navigate this digital journey together. Number 1, create an app. If you're not a developer, you're undoubtedly feeling a little stuck when you consider this lucrative idea. Thankfully, you can get an app developed for you by hiring a programmer. You may find many app developers who are willing to collaborate with entrepreneurs to realize their ideas by visiting websites like Toptal. All you need to do is develop a distinctive app concept, decide which market to target, and establish your product's brand. The programmer you employ will handle the development end of things. Your greatest option for monetizing your app will be to submit it to the App Store and Google Play. Furthermore, despite the seeming contradiction, having a free app can increase your revenue above that of a premium one. You can monetize a free app by adding premium features or advertisements. You will find it simpler to upsell users of the free software because of the increased volume of users it will draw. Number 2, try print on demand. Online income generation through print on demand (POD) is another popular option. Due to its cheaper overhead than other business models, this business model has been embraced by many people. In the sense that you don't have to handle inventory or customer delivery, print on demand is comparable to dropshipping. However, there are 2 minor variations. Making your own personalized goods is a terrific way to start building brand recognition. Secondly, there are particular options available to you instead of a wide array of categories. The majority of print-on-demand businesses sell items like t-shirts, mugs, and tote bags that are simple to print on. What's the greatest approach to monetize your print-on-demand company? Free avenues for marketing. Your greatest option would be to use social media influencers who effectively convert their audiences to promote your products for free on TikTok and Instagram. Number 3, make money with affiliate marketing. One of the most well-liked methods of earning money online is affiliate marketing. Although its popularity has fluctuated over time, it is still a reliable method of generating passive income. The ability to choose from a wide variety of businesses to work with, such as Shopify, Amazon, and Uber, is the finest thing about affiliate marketing. With this business plan, you can make a living by endorsing other companies' products. After enrolling in an affiliate marketing program, you can begin receiving income from sales of retail goods, apps, software, and other products. Even while the commission might not seem like much, bear in mind that you can promote a range of products on several platforms as an affiliate for multiple brands. Your best option is to concentrate on content marketing if you truly want to use affiliate marketing to make money online. A blog with multiple pages of excellent content that you can call your own is something you can build. To increase traffic to your affiliate partner's website, thoughtfully include affiliate links in your blog entries. Number 4, start a YouTube channel. You can make money off of YouTube if others are. To develop a robust and devoted following, your YouTube channel ought to concentrate on a specific niche. You could, for instance, make spoof videos, review items, teach skills, stream video games, make makeup lessons, or do anything else you believe will be interesting to viewers. Making content that viewers want to watch is essential to making money on YouTube. Your films can attract visitors with catchy headers and descriptions that are optimized for keywords. You can start making money from your work by placing advertisements on it once you reach 1,000 subscribers. Number 5, become an influencer. You can earn money online by developing your personal brand. For instance, soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo charges over $2 million for a sponsored post on Instagram. Though it would appear that singers, sports, and reality stars are the largest influencers, bear in mind that even lesser-known influencers can now command higher salaries than they did only a few years ago. You must develop a sizable following if you want to become an influencer. Which are the greatest platforms to use initially? Both TikTok and Instagram. These sites frequently provided some of the largest non-celebrity influencers with their first taste of publicity. If you're looking to grow your Instagram following, you may want to look into ways to gain more followers. Influencers can charge for sponsored posts, charge for affiliate links in their bios, sell their images, sell advertisements on their own podcast, create and sell merchandise, be compensated to attend events, and more. Number 6, create an online course. Among the best ways to make money online is to sell courses. If you are an authority in a field, you can make money off of your expertise by developing online courses. These courses can be offered for sale on websites like Udemy, or if you already have a following of committed students on your own. Online courses are bringing in $5,000 a month for some companies. Take inspiration from courses that are currently trendy in your niche to create a well-received and profitable course. Examine the reviews thoroughly. Determine which features are highly praised and which ones are criticized. How can you create something better than what's already out there? When creating material, try to take into account the good qualities that consumers find appealing as well as the usual concerns. Your plan for making money online will be influenced by the platform you decide to use to offer your course. Promotion is less necessary while using Udemy. It's practically like set it and forget it. Maybe you should promote it on various blogs or social media platforms. However, if the course is housed on your own website, you may want to think about advertising it. You could also create an email list to promote upcoming classes without having to pay for further advertising. This could offer a productive way to make money online naturally. Number 7. Publish an ebook. It's now easier than ever to publish an ebook with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Writing the ebook, formatting it, making an ebook cover, publishing it, and promoting it are all that are required. For your ebook, you can select to work with a writer, a graphic designer for the cover, and a manuscript editor for content correction. Pay attention to terms during your research that are derived from popular Amazon searches. You can create a title that revolves around the terms people use when searching by using the keyword tool. Concentrate on using customer-attracting marketing strategies to drive sales of your ebook. For instance, you may offer free shipping on the first few copies of your book. This gets you some reviews and generates attention on social media. Through social evidence, receiving reviews aids in client acquisition. Video campaigns and influencer marketing are two more potent methods for ebook promotion. Number 8. Start a blog. One of the earliest online money-making strategies is blogging. Those who enjoy writing usually launch need-focused blogs. A blog about procrastination, cars, dropshipping, toys, etc., for instance, is typically large enough to cover a lot of ground and narrow enough to develop a devoted audience. This approach can be profitable for people trying to generate quick money online. You may establish a blog on a number of platforms, including WordPress and Shopify. Delete the checkout option to avoid paying a subscription fee while you develop it. When you first start your blog, concentrate on extremely narrow keywords. As you gain momentum and take over new areas, you should gradually branch out into other but equally relevant topics. You will be able to create a huge blog over time by doing this. Blogging provides a variety of opportunities to make additional money if that's your objective. You may use affiliate links in your writings as long as you include a disclosure. By carefully inserting adverts into your postings, you can make money off of your site. Sponsored posts are a common way for review bloggers to earn money from specific sponsors. On their blogs, bloggers have the ability to sell both physical and digital goods. A blog can also be used to develop a personal brand that will help you land big contracts from customers, television deals, and speaking engagements. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into legitimate online income streams. No more empty promises or envelope stuffing. We've laid out practical ways for you to turn your time online into real money. If you're ready to take control of your online ventures and explore genuine opportunities, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. We're committed to keeping you updated on the latest insights and strategies in the ever-evolving digital landscape.